Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop people from sending friend requests on Facebook. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's begin our video. First of all, launch on your Facebook application, and after launch on your Facebook application, tap on the top right corner 3-line menu bar option, and then you need to scroll down, and here you can see settings and privacy option. So simply tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Here you can see settings, and you need to scroll down, and here you can see a option privacy settings. So simply tap on privacy settings, and after that you need to scroll down, and here you can see option how people find you and contact option, and there have a option who can send you friend request. There you can see who can send you friend request. So simply tap it, and then you need to select friend of friend. That's it. Now no unknown people cannot send you friend request on your Facebook. That's pretty easy. So guys, in this way you can stop people from sending friend request on Facebook very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.